Hello and welcome all of you to yet another episode of Healthify My Cuisine. Today at Healthify My Cuisine, we will understand about a very wonderful medicinal plant which not only helps in curing the urinary tract infection but helps in increasing the hemoglobin levels also. We will discuss about Punarnava. Punarnava, as the name suggests, rejuvenating. Punar means again, Nava means new. To make one new again, to rejuvenate, to make it new. Today in this video, I'll show you 2 to 3 ways how you can include this Punarnava sag, Punarnava, this medicinal herb in your daily routine, in your daily food. We at Healthify My Cuisine healthify our ways of living and healthify our ways of traditional cooking. So let's begin the recipe without wasting much time. Please watch the video till the end. Take some time because I'll be telling all the benefits while making the recipes. I'll show you 3 ways how to include this wonderful and magical herb in your daily food and how to recognize it, how to get it, and what are the replacements and how you can get it in the dried form if you are not getting in your markets. So let's proceed towards making the wonderful recipes for all your urinary tract troubles. It helps in preventing the formation of calculi or the calculus in kidneys, which led to the formation of kidney stones, your gallbladder stones. So we should include this sag. If you this wonderful herb is around you and you can recognize this herb, so we should include this herb in our diet. Let's first prepare the leaf extract. For that I have discarded all the stems and taken the leaves only. These leaves have been washed thoroughly and then we'll put them into our blender jar. After blending, we will extract the juice through a sieve and will use the juice for the treatment of urinary tract infections, kidney stones, painful urination. This helps in urine detentions also. It's believed to play a key role in preventing and treating urinary distensions, urine retentions. This is anti-spasmodic, anti-inflammatory, antiviral. Now strain the juice through this strainer and you can just simply have 1 to 2 spoons of this juice daily till you get rid of the urinary tract infections. Or if you have post-void urine more than 30 cc, this will also help in the strength of your urinary bladder, which the rest of this you can also make juice. Now the second way is just to prepare a sabzi or sag, and for that we have washed it and then we will chop it finely, and in a very little oil we will prepare this preparation. In Ayurveda, Punarnava is believed to delay the need of dialysis in kidney patients. It reduces the progressive rate of degeneration and improves the repairing capacity of nephrons, the kidney cells. It will also help in breakdown of fat cells and helps in the weight loss also. I have added asafoetida and 1 green chili according to your taste. Now add the sag once the oil comes to a smoking point. Stir it well. It will leave a lot of water. Use very little salt because we are using as a medicinal plant. We are using it as a medicine. So we should always take care of it to use little salt, because salt sometimes leads to inflammation and edema. Use very little salt, and this was just 2 bundles of Punarnava sag. So this much of salt was enough. This will also help you in the condition hyperuricemia, the high uric acid condition in the body, when a body is not able to excrete the uric acid from the system. This is diuretic, and that means that it will help you in urinating more, so that all the toxins from the body get flushed out through the kidneys. It helps in the proper working of the kidneys. That can be had with that roti, and I will show you, this is the third way. I will show you how to prepare it with your curries. Here I have put it in curry. This was a tomato ginger garlic based curry, and I have just thrown the leaves inside and 2 pieces of fried fish. This serves 2 people. So this will also help you in reducing your extra fat in the body, because it helps in fat metabolism and also reduces the inflammation in the body. Do have a look at a review at a glance of this wonderful herb. If you don't get this herb in your city, you can get it in the form of sarvakalpakwath, which has a major constituent of this wonderful herb Punarnava, dried Punarnava. You can also get it in the form of this syrup Punarnavadirisht, and in the form of tablets also. Tablets are called Punarnavadi Mandoor. If you liked the video, do share with your family and friends, and do consider subscribing the channel so that I bring more videos for you.